We're in Kentucky here, not far from Franklin, Kentucky, which isn't far from the Tennessee line. We actually came through Nashville, but I like to go see Amish places and Amish markets in new areas. But this one's called the, I don't know how to pronounce this really, Habegger'S Amish Market. Google showed over 1,000 reviews for this place, so I thought that was pretty good. So, but yeah, it's really pretty up here. And we're gonna see what they have in here in this store, and we're going to check it out. So come join us. Thought this was cute here. Roadside Kentucky Farm Bureau certified farm market. And it looks like they have little picnic tables here where you can sit and eat. So we're really here early in the morning, so they really ain't nobody hardly here yet. So I'm sure there will be later on. But yeah, I believe they might have sandwiches here. But yeah, they got some rocking chairs, nice covered area. So yeah.
I want to eat in that stagecoach.
You want to eat in the stagecoach? Well, it's kind of early to eat right now, so.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, I'm a little full, yeah.
Yeah, we just ate breakfast at the hotel. Yeah, I smell something good too. Try our homemade pie. And it says we want to share a simpler way of life here. So that's pretty cool. And so does it tell their hours? So yeah, they're closed on Christmas Eve, which ain't long. Yeah. So they have over here a scarecrow, some corn. Yeah. So they did, well, they probably put this out later. Squash or zucchini, $2 a pound. Cabbage, $2 each. You can tell they're preppers. And I love preppers. And I love this sign, shop local. That helps communities out. I'm definitely all for that, that's for sure. They got some honey for sale here. Sorghum, $7.99. They have organic eggs. It's pretty cool. Got some teas here, herbs. Here's some candy.
Those Dutch rolls, they go by if they get warm.
Alright, so they got some peanut butter here, homemade peanut butter. And some popcorn. Plenty of candy here. Oh, and they make deli sandwiches. And I love deli sandwiches, that's for sure. So, And they got some canned goods here. Oh, I love that song there. Amazing Grace. And they have pickles. And I love pickles. Oh, I come from Walnut Creek. That's in Ohio, I think. Pickled corn, salsa. I may have to get me some pickles. I love pickles. Love pickles. You know, Kevin, the salsa's not that bad.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe we should buy some salsa. I'm thinking about it. $5.99 for this one. They got different brands. Hot chow chow. $5.99 for that. Oh yeah, it's not bad. It's right over there on the right. $6.99 for that. Tomato juice cocktail. They have some relish. I love relish too. Chow chow. Barbecue sauce. Bologna bites. I don't know if I've seen that one before. Polish sausage. Okay, they sell Chick-fil-A sauce. That's funny.
Yeah, I seen that out here the other day.
$6.99 here for apple butter. For that one, it's a little small, but I love apple butter.
Yes, it's really good.
Oh, yes, it is good. They got some more stuff here. Seeds. Raw pumpkin seeds. Instant milk chocolate recipe. Lord, I tell you, I really wish I lived by the Amish. I mean, I just love their stuff. Love their food. Love everything they do. Big supporter of it. Got some noodles here. And you know what? It's almost Christmas, and this can make some really good Christmas gifts. Ooh, cheesy potato with bacon flavor. Oh, wow. It's a soup mix. And I love soup. Love bean soup. Any kind of soup. I love it. Yeah, their beans are a little bit high, but it's non-GMO, so you have to think about that. Nacho cheese dip mix. Oh yeah, I'll tell you. And you know what? These make good Christmas gifts too. You know, you could actually make these jars. And I've been saving my pickle jars to make stuff in them, actually. Like when they have the buy one, get one free sale at Publix, I just buy their pickles. I love their pickles. The big jars, like the Vlasic or the Mount Olive, and you can save those jars, because jars are expensive. They're very expensive. And you can make all kinds of things out of jars. And there's the pancake stuff right there. Look what just came out of the bakery. Look at this. Oh, wow. They got all kinds of pies. They got some cakes here. I don't know how much these cakes are, but they're pretty. I'm trying to look. Oh, there it is, $30. Okay. So. And I've seen these before. Got raw vinegar in it.
You're down to
I
there.
don't know what that is. Got some seasoning here. And then I got some jelly behind me here. All kinds of jellies, fruit. Rhubarb. My husband loves rhubarb. I'm gonna have to show him that. They got some rhubarb strawberry. Oh, here's some toe jam, $5.99. Muscadine jelly, $5.99. Oh, and the pig skins. Love the pig skins. Now, I like the spicy ones. I like the spicy pig skins. But they don't run up my sugar, and that's what I love. Oh, I love these. Love them. White cheddar cheese. That does run up my sugar, but they are good. They are very good. Oh, look. Got a big old thing of flour here. Baker's flour, $27.99. $29.99 for whole wheat flour. These are good deals. And $42 for that for sugar, 50 pounds. Hospitality, I always know you're welcome. That's something that's going away, unfortunately, and I hate it. You know, it ain't for me, but for a lot of other people. Now, my son loves root beers. He loves the birch root beers. He loves those. My husband likes the teas. He don't like root beer, my husband no, but my son, he loves the root beers. I do too, actually. I like the ones they make fresh in the barrels. It's really good. Oh, they got some cute hats. Farm fresh. And they got some cute little hats here. And they got some belts. That's pretty nice. We got some soap. We got some shirts. $3.99 for soap here. Oh yeah, that smells good. That smells really good. Pain relief cream. That's nice. Peanuts for $3.25 a pound. There's some drinks here. Oh, and look at this. Grab and go, frozen food. Homemade strawberry freezer jam. And old-fashioned peanut butter pie, $9.99. They got some cookies here. Sneakerdoodle. Let's see how much these cakes are. Oh, these are from Walnut Creek. $7.99. That's not bad. And they got more pies here. Let's see here. Blackberry pie. Ooh, this one looks good. What's this one? Oh, wow. That would look good thawed out, that's for sure. Fruitcake. Fruitcake's expensive everywhere, though. Now that looks like a really good cake. Oh, look at this cake. That looks good. Some peanuts. Look, they got a little cafe here where you can sit and have a sandwich, which is pretty cool. It's pretty nice. Oh, wow. That's really good. More pies here. $12.99 for that one. So basically they got a cafe here. They got some chips and you get a sandwich. There's some cheeses. I love cheese, let me tell you. Here's some pies. Trying to see how much they were. They got all different kinds of pies here. How much are these pies? $2.49. Okay. List over here. So this is what they have here at their bakery and cafe. And then here's their menu. Okay, that's it on that. There's no back on here. So. Oh, they got all kinds of spices here. And I'm a spice girl, that's for sure. Here's a recipe here, it looks like.